Okay guys, 2007 Honda Accord. I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the AC compressor. Okay, first thing, we're gonna take out the Freon. Okay. Okay. After removing the Freon, we're gonna remove the dry belt. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna remove the lines from the AC compressor. Okay. Then we're gonna lift up the car and we're gonna drain off the cooling, because we're gonna have to take out the this hose here. We're gonna have to remove the cooling fans. Okay. Then we're gonna disconnect these plugs from the electric fans, both sides, and we're gonna remove these two bolts here. We're gonna remove the electric fans, the cooling fans. Okay. Okay. After removing the electric fans, we're gonna lift off the engine a little bit, so we could be able to the access to the two bolts in the bottom from the AC compressor. Okay. Okay, as you can see, already remove it. I have the new part already, so let me put that in place. Before putting this in place, we're gonna put the oil. Okay, don't forget to put the oil inside. Okay, like I'm telling you guys, we need to put this oil inside in the AC compressor. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I already put the AC compressor in place. Now we're gonna put this ball in here in the engine mount. Okay, then we're gonna connect the plug from the AC compressor and the AC compressor lines. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna put the cooling fans in place. Okay, then we're gonna connect the electric fans. Okay, both sides. Okay, then we're gonna connect the upper hose. Okay, then we're gonna put the serpentine belt in place. Okay, now we're gonna charge the Freon. Okay, so that's how to replace the AC compressor on a 2007 Honda Accord. That's about it. If you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.